So I'm going to make dinner now. So another quick and easy sort of recipe. So what I've just started my stove to start heating up. I think it's heated up quite nicely. Just turning it down to low. So what I have is some oil spray, some supermarket ready-made frozen dumplings. I think this is a mixture of whatever I had in the freezer, so chicken and prawn. You can use any ready-made dumpling, or I guess you could even make your own if you wanted to. About 300 grams of just mixed frozen vegetables, and stir-fry shots. So it's just a ready-made stir-fry paste. You can make your own stir-fry paste if you want to, but I just find it's really easy. This is suitable for one pot. Now, strictly speaking, this is not a stir-fry because I'm not cooking with a wok. I'm cooking with a pan, but I am camping, so you've got to make do with what you've got. But if you wanted to make this at home, you could do the same thing with a wok, and you won't get quite the same results. Won't be as crispy, but that's alright. It'll still taste alright. So you want to oil your pan. And we'll start with putting the dumplings on. You would normally put the stir-fry paste in there, but because it is cast iron, I find it tends to burn a bit. But if it's a normal non-stick pan, yeah, feel free to put the stir-fry shots in there first. So I'll put this in there. Ooh. Looks like it's lumped up. That's alright. Not a biggie. We'll try our best to separate them. So it's just lumped up because it has been defrosted. Just naturally. Try our best to separate them. Just check a couple of them now after a couple of minutes. The other side started to get a little bit brown, so that means it's ready now for some steaming. So what we might do is put the veggies in there. And we'll also put the stir-fry paste in there. You can use any brand of stir-fry paste, whatever you like. I just happen to have this in the pantry, so I use it. Give it a quick stir. Be careful of the cast iron. Just stir for about a minute for the stir-fry paste to release its flavours. Now we put in about half a cup of just water. That was probably more like a cup. And then let it come to the boil, which it looks like it is. Yep. Now that the water's started boiling, we just want to put the lid on and steam it for about 8 to 10 minutes. It's better to use a lid, but I didn't happen to have one, so I've used my enamel plate, so I'll have to be very careful when I remove it later on. So put it on to low heat. And we'll steam it for about 8 minutes. We'll just give it a quick check and a bit of a stir. Just be very careful with the plate. That smells really good. So the dumplings are almost cooked, so we'll leave the lid off for a couple of minutes and just let the water dry out a little bit. I think it's about ready now. Here we go. Dumpling vegetable stir fry while camping.